Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase the text size and application icon size in BlueStack 5. So here you can open the BlueStack app player. If you think the text or the icon of the apps is too small, you can try to upsize by access the settings. So here we go. You can click restart at the top of your screen and click settings. Here under the settings you can configure and adjust the performance and display, graphics, game settings, devices, gamepad. If you use gamepad you can connect it, preferences like change language and so on, phone, this is the framework data, and here shortcuts, user data, advanced setting, and about. So here in order to upsize you can click display, and here we go. This is the interface scaling, so only applies to the size of text and icons in app player and not within apps. So here we go. By default is 100%. Scaling is advised for screens with a resolution of 1080p or lower. So if you have a more than 1080p, you can try to increase up to 120%, 150%, and the maximum is 300%. After that, you can save your change, then BlueStack will restart to apply the new settings. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.